Now I am going to discuss exercise 2.3 of class 8 chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. In this exercise, the equations having variable on both sides, we can see how to solve this type of equation. The first, for example, our first question is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Here, the variable x is on both sides of the equation. How to solve this one? The first step is take the variable only on one side. For calculation become easy, make the variable on LHS. That is 3x, 2x is on RHS, the sign of 2x is positive. So while shifting to LHS, it will become negative. So 3x minus 2x equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is x. That is x equal to 18 is the solution. If we substitute the value in the equation, we can check whether the value is correct or not. Our equation is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. 3 into 18 equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. 3 into 18 equal to 54. 2 into 18 is 36 plus 18. That is equal to 54. That is 54 equal to 54. LHS equal to RHS. This is the way we can check whether the value is correct or not. Question number 2 is 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So how to solve this one? First we can take the variable on LHS and we can shift the numerals to the RHS. We can see how to solve. Here we are taking 3t to the LHS. 3t is having positive sign. So if we shift it to LHS, it will become minus 3t equal to, already 5 is there on RHS. The sign of 5 is minus 5. So next we shift minus 3 to RHS. So it will become plus 3. 5t minus 3t equal to 2t equal to, here the numbers are having different sign. So you can use the rule of integers, that is bigger number minus smaller number, and put the sign of the bigger number. So minus 5 plus 3 means 5 minus 3, we get the answer as 2. The sign of bigger number is negative, so we got the answer as minus 2. Now the t is, along with the t, 2 is multiplied. So we can shift it to RHS. So t equal to minus 2. Multiplication of 2 become division on RHS. So t equal to minus 1 is the solution. Now the next part is to check the solution, whether we got the value of t equal to minus 1 is satisfying the equation or not. For that we can substitute the value of t equal to minus 1 to the given equation. That is 5 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. That is minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 3 minus 5. Integers having same sign, we can apply the rule of add the integers and put the same sign. Before adding, this is minus 5 minus 3. So subtraction means addition. Minus 5 plus minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus minus 5. That is minus 8 equal to minus 8. LHS equal to RHS.